bakit strategic yung location. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour, your top realtor. And together with me is Sir Marcos. Sir Marcos, say hi.
Hello everybody.
So we were invited to visit Veloce Tower Mall, wherein we will going to feature not a residential but a commercial property, not for lease but for sale.
Correct,
diba, sir?
correct.
So sir, when it comes to this Veloce Tower, so when it comes sa location niya, what are the highlights and bakit strategic yung location na to invest on a commercial property?
Okay, if we check around Veloce, you would see that you have different bank branches.
Yes.
You have your BPI, UCBB, BDO, East West Bank, Security Bank. Every single one of them is on this road.
Yes,
On
correct.
top of that, we have Pancake House, Starbucks, Goldilocks, Tagu, Krispy Kreme, and McDonald's, plus everybody else is here.
Yes,
Like,
correct.
with that being said, that itself is proof that the business is here.
Correct. There's
Now-
really a foot traffic, no, sir?
Yeah, actually, I almost forgot. Behind us is Watson.
Watson's. Oh.
Yeah, and then behind you, viewer, is Figaro. They're fixing it right now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so if you're into business, this is the spot.
Correct. And right now, we're currently selling the ground level, no, sir?
Correct. The final and best inventory here.
Yes. And tara, let's go inside so that we will show you around kung how many square meter ba and what are the best businesses that you could put dito sa commercial establishment. Tara. Sir, nandito ko pala.
Yeah, let's go inside. Okay, so this is our ground floor.
Okay.
All right. On our right side, this is the elevator for the offices on the 5th and 6th floor.
Oh.
Actually, here we are proud to say hindi uso ang elevator traffic. I just mentioned 5th and 6th floor. 2 floors, 2 elevators.
Oh.
1 elevator per floor.
Oh.
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin hindi siya ganun ka-congested kapag may mga...
Correct.
Okay.
There's 39 units per floor on that one.
Okay.
And so 2 offices.
Oh.
We have all of that.
Alright.
Alright.
Tapos may escalator na din pala.
Correct.
dito.
The escalator leads towards the commercial spaces on the mezzanine floor.
Oh, I see.
Yes. And then on this part, if you go through here, this part is currently under construction. This is the elevator lobby for the residential units.
Okay.
This would cater to the units on the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, lower penthouse, and upper penthouse units.
Oh,
Yeah, so yung influx ng crowd would be here. That's why this is big.
Okay.
Now, for the elevator, we have 3 elevators on this part to service everybody.
So, very generous pala si Veloce when it
yeah.
comes sa elevator and
Yes,
even
hindi kami
escalator.
nagtitipid sa elevator. Actually, our mall area has also a elevator na solo.
Oh,
So in
I
this
see.
building, we have a total of 6 elevators.
6 elevators. Ganun kadami, guys.
Yes. And then, this one, this goes around. We're not even gonna go to it anymore.
Yeah.
This goes around and pretty much, yan yung mga commercial area natin dito. Now, if you have more questions, feel free to contact Allan.
Yes. Feel free to comment down below then and feel free to message us. And for the typical, sir, floor area that we have here, how many floor area ba yung meron tayo?
Actually, our smallest is close to 20 square meters.
Okay.
And then it goes up to as much as 200 if you like, because everything is combinable.
Oh, okay. Lalo na yung mga adjacent, no?
Yes, yes.
So, again, perfect siya sa mga restaurants.
Restaurants.
No? Tapos, I believe meron akong favorite dito, sir. The almost 20 square meter na maliit lang and very affordable, no?
Pwede siya money changer.
Money changer, Western Union, no?
FedEx.
Yeah. So, ibig sabihin, yun nga, we have a lot of target markets here. Wherein, again, if you will going to invest dito, di ba, sir? So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo din siyang i-list out. Di ba?
Yes, actually, with that being said, kung investment-wise, right now, we have a promo. Okay, it's a limited time promo. So if you want it, call Allan.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, ano yung promo? Basically, it's a 10, 20, 70 promo. Ang nilabas mo lang is the 10% down payment.
Okay.
The 20% you pay it in installment. The
Okay.
70% is for financing.
Okay.
So in a sense, the property is self-liquidating
Oo.
while you're having it rented.
Correct.
So it's paying for its own.
Yes.
So ang nilabas mo lang talaga is the 10%.
Correct. So, ibig sabihin, sir, kumbaga, talagang truly, it's really self-liquidating. Kasi nga, ipaparent mo na siya. Once, by the way, kailan ba yung turnover?
Okay, we are ready for occupancy as long as you completed your PBCs, requirements, and filled up all the documents.
Yes. Again, we will going to flash you around yung mga available units namin. So, stay tuned, and if you have questions or concern, feel free to message us. Again, I'm Allan Marquez, your top realtor. We're more than happy to help you. Bye for now!